Where can you find the ProRIP software? To download it from the Procolored official website. To install the software, first double-click to start. Click Next. Click OK. Then we finish the installation. Now we try to run the software and will be reminded that a dongle is missing. Here's the point, you need to insert the blue dongle USB drive every time you use the software. Before starting to use the software, you need to perform 5 steps of setup. 1. Set the scale and language in the top right corner. 2. Set the canvas size. 3. Check the driver setting after clicking RIP. Resolution set to 1440 by 1440. And set 2-layer base color for DTF printing. 4. Select the correct printer driver. 5. Choose the correct color profile.